Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Grand Bohemian Hotel right here in Orlando where we stayed for 2 nights. This is the lobby and we're going up to the 11th floor. That's what the key looks like. It's kind of pretty. So we're staying at a 1-bedroom king suite. So it's a little bit bigger. And by the way, that's me. Hello. So as you walk in the room, you get this long mirror on your side, which is kind of a nice touch to be able to see when you're getting ready. And then you have like this living room area and then also your bedroom and your bathroom, right? So I'm gonna walk you through everything in a bit. So I did like that the room is nicely decorated. Definitely the color combinations look good. When you enter, you get 2 closets. So one is this one, and I'll show you the other one in a minute. For some reason, the light was not working in this closet, but that's okay because we didn't end up using this one anyway. And then on my left here, you get some snacks, you get liquor, you get your mini bar, you get coffee, all kinds of stuff. By the way, we paid $530 per night for this suite. Tell me in the comments if you think it is worth it after you look at everything. And also just to keep in mind, there's $42 per night for valet parking, and it's only valet. You don't have self-parking here. And then you do have to also add the room sales tax, lodging tax, all of that. So it ends up being like $600 a night. So let me know in the comments if you think their suite looks good enough to be worth that much. I would love to know your opinion. All right, so that was the coffee. I did enjoy the tea for sure. Here's the mini bar. You get all kinds of options here, as you can see: soda, Red Bull, Gatorade, alcohol, whatever you need, water, right? But obviously you will pay for it, but that's okay. At least you get all of these things. They're conveniently in your room. And then they also gave us like a wine cooler. This is just storage, but like I'll show you in a second. Right here, there's also a wine cooler. I guess if you brought your own wine, you could just store it here. So this is like a little extra mini fridge. And then the living room area, again, everything kind of looks nice. It does give you a luxury feel. So, you have a nice sized TV here. You also have a nice sized TV in your bedroom as well. And then at nighttime, you get this beautiful view. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please give this video a like if you're liking it so far. And then the only thing I noticed is that I would have liked a little bit more light. So during the daytime, it's nice because you can open all these blinds and then more sunlight comes in. But this is the evening time when I'm recording and checked in. And then you have a little bit of this dark, gloomy feel to it, but not really gloomy, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so this is the bedroom. This is all the light that I could find. It doesn't have any more than that, but it is still very pretty. I like the bed. Again, that's your second TV. And the bedroom also is a good size, as you can see. It's not small. And here is your view again for, Orlando downtown, right? So I think that was nice for sure. The bed was also pretty comfortable. We enjoyed it. And let me just show you a little bit more some of the things in case you're wondering where to charge your phone and other things. Those are on the side of the bed. And I'll show you that in a second. But this is just another view of the bedroom so you get an idea. And one more thing I want to mention is that, I don't know, they were kind of terrible with picking up the phone. Especially when you're charging that much, you should be picking up the phone when you're calling from the room. And I noticed that was a problem. Some more storage here. And then this is what I was referring to on the side of the bed. You get your outlets, your USB, everything. So it's pretty convenient to charge all your things, your iPad, phone at night. And the bed was comfortable. No complaints there. We slept like a baby. And then let me just show you the other closet I was talking about. So right when you get out of here, right in front of you is the second closet. And then you get your robe and you get your slippers, which is obviously a nice touch, right? And then after that is your bedroom, your bathroom. So let me show you that in a bit. So what do you think so far? Do you like it? I would love to know your comments in right there below the video. So let me know what you think. And I like that you get Kessler's signature bathroom amenities such as your lotion, your even a mouthwash, which I thought was a very good touch because most hotels do not give you a mouthwash. You get your lotion, your shower cap, and other things that you need, even a hair dryer, which is pretty standard. But then you also have nice, all of these amenities are pretty nice, and the bathroom itself looks good. In your shower, you get your, body wash, your shampoo, your conditioner. It's a decent sized shower. As you can see, water pressure was good too. Do you guys have any questions? Let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like and share and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.